In this chapter, let us learn about NumPy array copy vs view. The difference between copy and view. The main difference between a copy and a view of an array is that the copy is a new array and the view is just a view of the original array. The copy owns the data and any changes made to the copy will not affect original array, and any changes made to the original arrays will not affect the copy. The view does not own the data and any changes made to the view will affect the original array, and any changes made to the original arrays will affect the view. Copy. Make a copy change the original array and display both arrays. See here, we are using array.copy np.array. If we execute this, the result returns 42, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The copy should not be affected the changes made to the original array. View. Make a view change the original arrays and display both arrays. See the example. See np array array.view. If we execute this, see the result is same. The view should be affected by the change made to the original array. Make changes in the view. If we see the example, make a view change the view and display both arrays. If we want to display both arrays, see here the view is result here 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. The original array should be affected by the changes made to the view. Check if array owns its data. As mentioned above, copies owns the data and views does not own the data. But how can we check this? Every NumPy arrays has the attributes based that returns none if the arrays own the data. Otherwise, the base attributes refers to the original object. Print the value of the base attributes to check if an array owns its data or not. See here, if we execute this result, the result returns this none 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The copy returns none. The view returns the original array. Okay friends, this is the end of part 7 array copy as view. In next video, let us learn about another topic, arrays shape. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.